Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of emails, sticky notes, and scattered to-dos, all while trying to keep your NetSuite ship sailing smoothly? Like, you need to follow up on that sales quote or check in on that support ticket, but everything is just everywhere. You're not alone. We've all been there. And that's why today we're diving deep into a feature that could be your organizational lifeline, NetSuite tasks. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of what a NetSuite task is, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a project manager juggling multiple client implementations. You need to coordinate with developers, designers, and the client themselves. Each step requires specific actions, deadlines, and follow-ups. Without a centralized system, you're relying on memory, scattered emails, and maybe even a whiteboard that's quickly becoming a chaotic masterpiece. Or let's say you're in sales. You've just closed a deal, but the real work has just begun. You need to ensure a smooth onboarding process, schedule training, and follow up for potential upsells. Without a structured way to track these actions, opportunities slip through the cracks and customer satisfaction suffers. In both of these scenarios, the problem isn't a lack of effort. It's a lack of organization, a lack of a clear, actionable system to manage those critical to-dos. And that's precisely where NetSuite tasks come in. So, what exactly are NetSuite tasks? Simply put, they are records within NetSuite that allow you to assign, track, and manage specific actions related to various business processes. Think of them as digital to-do lists, but with the added power of integration with your entire NetSuite ecosystem. Unlike a simple to-do list app, NetSuite tasks are deeply integrated with your customer records, sales orders, projects, support cases, and more. This means you can create tasks directly from these records, ensuring that every action is tied to the relevant context. For example, you can create a task to follow up on a sales quote directly from the quote record itself. Or you can assign a task to a support representative to resolve a specific issue from a support case. This integration is crucial because it provides a holistic view of your business operations. You can see all the tasks related to a specific customer, project, or sales order all in one place. This eliminates the need to switch between different applications or search through endless email threads. Now, let's break down the key components of a NetSuite task. First, there's the subject. This is a concise description of the task, giving you a quick overview of what needs to be done. Think of it as the title of your to-do item. Next, we have the assignee. This is the person responsible for completing the task. You can assign tasks to yourself, other employees, or even external contacts. This ensures accountability and clarity. Then, there's the due date. This is the deadline for completing the task. Setting due dates helps you prioritize tasks and ensure that they are completed on time. We also have the priority. This allows you to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. You can set priorities such as high, medium, or low, helping you focus on the most critical tasks first. And of course, there's the status. This tracks the progress of the task. You can set statuses such as not started, in progress, completed, or deferred. This gives you a clear picture of where each task stands. But NetSuite tasks are more than just a list of to-dos. They offer a range of features that make them a powerful tool for managing your workflow. One of the most important features is the ability to link tasks to other records. As mentioned earlier, you can link tasks to customer records, sales orders, projects, and more. This creates a seamless connection between your tasks and your business data. Another key feature is task reminders. You can set reminders to ensure that you don't miss any deadlines. NetSuite can send you email notifications or display reminders within the system. NetSuite also allows you to create recurring tasks. This is particularly useful for tasks that need to be performed on a regular basis, such as weekly team meetings or monthly reports. And finally, you can customize task forms and fields. This allows you to tailor tasks to your specific business needs. You can add custom fields to capture additional information or create custom forms to streamline data entry. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for NetSuite tasks. For sales teams, tasks can be used to manage follow-ups with leads and customers, schedule appointments, and track sales activities. This helps sales reps stay organized and ensures that no opportunities are missed. For project managers, tasks can be used to manage project deliverables, assign tasks to team members, and track project progress. This helps project managers stay on top of deadlines and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. For support teams, tasks can be used to manage support tickets, assign issues to support representatives, and track resolution times. This helps support teams provide timely and efficient support to customers. For marketing teams, tasks can be used to manage marketing campaigns, track social media activities, and schedule email blasts. This helps marketing teams stay organized and ensure that campaigns are executed effectively. And for anyone, really, tasks can be used to manage personal to-dos, schedule meetings, and track personal projects. This helps individuals stay organized and manage their time effectively. Okay, so we've covered what NetSuite tasks are, their key components, and some practical use cases. But how do you actually create and manage them? Let's walk through the process. First, you can create a new task directly from the tasks list. Simply navigate to the tasks list and click the New button. You'll then be presented with a task form where you can enter the subject, assignee, due date, priority, and other relevant information. Alternatively, you can create a task directly from another record, such as a customer record or a sales order. Simply navigate to the record and click the New Task button. The task form will then be pre-populated with information from the record. Once you've created a task, you can manage it from the tasks list. You can update the status, change the assignee, or add comments. You can also filter and sort tasks based on various criteria, such as due date, priority, or status. To view all the tasks related to a specific record, simply navigate to the record and view the Tasks subtab. This will display all the tasks linked to that record. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.